A good and happy Friday afternoon to you. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video driven by 802cars.com representing 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda, all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Big sprawling area of higher pressure is the main weather theme here. And you can see this in the bluer lines here. This is our area of higher pressure centered over the Great Lakes at surface. Meanwhile, it's a big, large ridge that has moved bodily east from where it was residing a little further to the west. This is being kicked sort of out, if you will, by this trough of lower pressure here. And most of the main weather activity now is going to be in the Pacific Northwest and a little bit off the southeast coast. No more severe weather for a time because it's going to take a while to recharge that moisture coming in from the south and west. And needless to say, it is going to be one stretch of dry weather for our locale. So we're looking at this area of higher pressure. There's really not a whole lot of other weather going on. That leftover precipitation is pushing on out pretty quickly off the Carolinas. The system out to the west is going to take a while to move east. This is going to be the main area of a higher pressure and control. We're already into Saturday morning tomorrow. This is through the weekend and going into Sunday now. Continuing into Monday, Tuesday. This is where we see a little bit of an area of low pressure develop along the coast. It looks like it's going to stay south. Let's say it does creep north. It doesn't look like it's going to be a big deal. This would happen on, this is basically Wednesday morning. And it's these two systems that will most likely get together and push in some precipitation at some point here. And this indication here might even include some thunderstorms. This is way down around the corner. This is beyond the period here, looking at Friday and during the afternoon, and then that system is out, and it looks like it's going to be in the form of rain as it moves through, but colder air swings in behind it. This is a long ways out. Take this with a grain of salt. Instead of the Jeffs, which is down, being you got some computer updates taking place, a new version coming out. Hopefully it's better accuracy even. But this is the European model, Ensemble, and what we're looking at here is you can see the dates, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. And this is that weather system that may be good for about precipitation, maybe a ½ inch to an inch. And you can see that these are the individual model Ensemble runs, about 51 members for the European model. This is our 7-day total precipitation by the Weather Prediction Center. This is hand plotted, but basically what we're looking at here is about 0.25 of an inch, and that would include that precipitation that works in late next week. That's really what we're seeing here. You can see the hot spots will be down around the Gulf Coast, another area in the sort of eastern central plains, and then a little bit into the Midwest and Great Lakes and so forth. Cold biting wind today on this Friday. You can see that colder air is really being driven in here by kind of a north-northwesterly wind coming right out of eastern Canada. Pretty good warm-up taking place across western and central Canada and into the southwest United States. It's going to moderate eventually, and we're going to get a little bit of that once we see our warmer temperatures begin to advect in, really starting as early as tomorrow, Saturday. This is the European Ensemble. A quick look at that. And weighted temperatures, MOS-wise, meteorological output statistics show that the next 5 days will be running about 9 to 12 degrees above normal. 3 days later, even warmer, 12 to 15 degrees above normal across Vermont, warmest in the northern areas. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights Consulting. Thanks for watching.